Long ago, in a kingdom surrounded by mountains, lived Princess Seraphina. She was curious, brave, and unlike anyone else in the royal palace. Everyone feared the dragon that lived beyond the hills. They said it was fierce, dangerous, and hoarded mountains of gold. But Seraphina wondered, what if the stories were wrong? One morning, while the castle still slept, she rode her horse into the misty mountains. Her heart pounded, but her curiosity was stronger than her fear. At last, she found the dragon's cave. Its entrance glowed with a strange, warm light. She stepped inside, holding her breath, and there she saw the dragon. Its scales shimmered like emeralds, its golden eyes watching her calmly. But behind it, there was no treasure, no piles of gold, no glittering jewels. Instead, the dragon guarded something unexpected. Dozens of giant glowing eggs, pulsing with soft light. Seraphina whispering, "So, you are not guarding treasure. You are guarding life." Narrator. The dragon lowered its head as if it understood her words. Slowly, carefully, it pushed one of the eggs closer, showing its fragile shell. And for the first time, Seraphina saw not a monster but a parent, a protector. Seraphina, gently, "You're not the enemy everyone fears. You're just trying to keep them safe." Narrator. The dragon gave a low rumble, almost like a purr. In that moment, Seraphina realized the truth. The kingdom's greatest fear was only a misunderstanding. From that day on, she visited the dragon in secret, bringing food, learning its ways, and promising to protect its secret. She understood that not everything frightening is dangerous, and not every story told is true. When she finally returned to the castle, she spoke to her people. Seraphina with courage. The dragon is not our enemy. We should not judge by fear or by rumor. Sometimes the greatest treasures are not gold or jewels, but kindness, trust, and understanding. The people listened, and slowly their fear began to fade. The dragon was left in peace, and the princess's wisdom became her kingdom's strength. For Seraphina had learned on Thoth that true courage is not in slaying what we fear, but in seeking the truth behind it. Moral closing line. Don't judge others by fear or by rumors. Seek the truth, and you may discover something beautiful.